Hi, hello guys. Ito nga, papunta kami ng Best Dentist Clinic po. Dito lang po to sa Aloriga. Ayan, nakita nga na namin po. Makikita nyo yung Hardee's, KFC. Ayan, papunta na nga po kami. Nasa mezzanine floor lang po ito. Diretso-diretso na nga po. At nakita ko na yung Best Dentist Clinic. Ayan, papasok na po kami. At yun, kasi po, naka-schedule na rin kami dito. Ayan, natapos rin. Ang puti na ng ngipin ko. Ang sarap na kumain ulit. Ayan na guys. Guys, thank you again to Dr. Cabia for my teeth. I repeat for how many times. My experience, very nice guys. You know, you feel nothing. You know, you see my teeth? Oh, thank you very much for.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for the time.
Guys, don't forget to visit Mezzanine Floor. Which building? Go.
Analysis building, Alriga, backside of KFC. We offer all kind of dental treatments, starting cleaning, filling, root canal treatment, crown, extractions, veneers, braces. So if you have any dental concern, you can visit Best Dentist Alriga.
Yes,
Thank
that I think you're in promotion today, right?
you. Yeah, we have
So
promotion.
guys, what you waiting for? Grab the opportunity. Only for once. Thank you, though.
Thank you so much.